Hello guys, in today's session we'll be going to discuss HBase use cases. HBase, which is a NoSQL database meant for use in online big data workloads where response time matters. It was originally developed by PowerSet based on Google's Big Table paper in 2008 and very soon became an Apache project. The first Apache release was in 2010 and since then it has been gathering velocity. There are like lots of production deployments of HBase today with a wide variety of use cases. So let's have a look. So these are basically the major production users of HBase. Starting in first, that is Twitter, Facebook, Yahoo, Adobe, Trend Micro, then we're having Explorers, then StumbleUpon, and the Pinterest. So these are basically some of the major production users of Apache HBase. So have a look with implementation of HBase like for Twitter. A number of applications including People Search rely on HBase internally for data generation. StumbleUpon, it uses HBase as a real-time data storage and analytics platform. Then Explorers, it uses HBase cluster containing over 1 billion of anonymized clinical records. Then also we are having Facebook, it uses HBase to power the messages infrastructure. Yahoo, it uses HBase to store document fingerprint for detecting near duplications, and also it has a cluster of few nodes that runs HDFS, MapReduce, and HBase. And lastly, we are having Trend Micro, where it uses HBase as a foundation for cloud scale storage for a variety of applications. So here, as you can see, the source which we have provided over here, you can just visit the source mainly to get the number of many other different users are also there. So apart from this, there are many other different sources from where basically the sections are there, like the major production users. Like we can take an example for Infolinks. Infolinks, guys, is an in-text and ad provider. It is an in-text ad provider. It uses HBase to process advertisement selection and user events for their in-text ad network, and the reports generated from HBase are used as feedback for their production system to optimize ad selection. And also some other major users are like FilmWeb. FilmWeb is a film web portal with a large data set of films and then persons and movie related entities. They have just started a small cluster of 3 HBase nodes to handle our web cache persistency layer, and also they plan to increase the cluster size and also to start migrating some of the data from our databases which have some demanding scalability requirements. That is basically the part for the film web. And apart from this, the other part also there are like Open Logic, which stores all the world's open source packages, versions, files, and lines of code in HBase for both near real-time access and analytical purposes. So these are some of the major production users, and also there are many more. You can just visit this particular link where we have given. So you can just go to this particular source where you'll be able to find plenty of various firms and organizations. They are using Apache HBase. So it is clear that Apache HBase adoption has grown, and there are like many small and large production deployments with varying use cases. So this is all about use cases of Apache HBase.